Hi, this is Mia from SCIHOME.
Hi everyone, this is Camilla and welcome to our channel.
Today we'll introduce our company, SCIHOME, to you. Since 1999, SCIHOME devotes to fabric sofa design and manufacturing, developing to upholstery wooden product line, committed to providing a healthy, comfortable, and environment-friendly home living space for the family worldwide. SCIHOME have been specializing in furniture manufacturing for more than 20 years, and we ranked top 5 in China. We have a large sales capacity, about 2,000 brand outlets. We own 6 bases, which covers around 800,000 square meters. They are located in Suzhou, Xianghe, Ninjing, Chengdu, Foshan, and Hai'an.
And as you can see, we are at the headquarters of SCIHOME in Suzhou City. And here is a very beautiful city. It has very clean environment and splendid gardens around. It is nearby Shanghai, and you can get here by a high-speed train within about 23 minutes. And as you can see, Suzhou factory is mainly exports a lot, and it covers an area of over 100,000 square meters. And the total staff member is more than 500 people. And our total capacity per month is more than 300 containers. And our exporting lines covers sofa, beds, chairs, and so on. We aim to provide you with a customized service.
It is worth mentioning that SCIHOME has a beautiful product experience center in which you can feel our products more intuitively.
And yes, I want to tell you another obvious strength of SCIHOME. That is, we have a research and development center, and it has been awarded as the National Industrial Design and Engineering Demonstration Best.
Yes, our Research and Development Institute covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters with function of color research, human body engineering comfort research, qualified testing, aesthetic research, ERP data center, and software department. Our national authorized test laboratory is used for durability, fabric function, and chemicals.
And yes, we have a quality management center. And here we have a testing lab. There are many testers. There are electronic rubbing fastness testers, sofa durability testers, and sponge foam rebound coefficient testers, and upholstered furniture formaldehyde detection testers, and very wide standard light color assessment tester, and the leather flexing tester. And next, we will show you all of them in next room.
Besides testing lab, SCIHOME have an excellent research and development team, which gets 96 designers and engineers, and can produce 50 new drawings per month, and over 200 new products per year.
And you might be also interested in our factory. And here I will generally introduce them to you. And as you can see, this is our needlework and sewing workshop. And here, workers will cut the fabrics into small pieces, and then those fabrics will be sent into the next workshop. As you can see, here is the wooden cutting workshop. There, workers will cut the raw material woodens into different types of small pieces, and then they will be made in the frameworking workshop. After that, workers will attach different types of foam to the frame at the foam pasting workshop. And after that, our products will be upholstered at the upholstered assembly. And then there will be also professional workers to inspecting them and packaging them. After all of them, our products will be sent to the warehouse.
Next, I will introduce our research and development process and production lead time. First, SCIHOME make market requirement definition. After 5 days, product design drawings and renderings have been finished. After 50 days, prototype and technical data have been collected. And after 45 days, the first order delivered. After the first order delivery, we can work with sales forecast to reduce delivery time within 30 days.
And as you can see, we are a trustworthy vendor, and we have trades with all over the world. We have key clients in about 23 countries and regions, such as Australia, United Kingdom, United States, and Japan. And also, we export to more than 40 countries and regions.
Thus, SCIHOME is a reliable company. We have passed many certifications, such as Samantha, which can benefit you to the greatest extent. Okay, that's all the basic information about our company. If you are enjoying SCIHOME life, you can like and follow us.
And next, we'll move on to the next room, and you'll see the testing lab and how the testers will work.
Okay, let's go. Our Research and Development Institute equipped with sofa, which can relax for our staff.
And as you can see, here is our testing office, and we have many documents here. Let's move on.
Okay.
There is our testing lab, and there are many testers here. Let's go to see them one by one. Here, this is the tester for leather flexing. And it simulates the condition that when a person uses a sofa, and he will produce the flexing pressure to the leather. It mainly tests the durability of leather. We can take a look at the tester data. The machine has been used to test the leather through 50,000 times during each test. And as you can see, here is our tested fabrics. Through the test, it can be found that there is no obvious crack or peeling. So, if you are interested in our life, don't forget to like, share, and follow SCIHOME.
This is a rubbing color flatness tester. It can use a 1,000 gram hammer containing warm abrasive to reduce the test for abrasive friction. Observe whether the warm abrasive is dyed. Deduce whether the laser is decolored. We can set the numbers to make it work automatically. In fact, it can do 500 dry wipes or 250 wet wipes. Here are the tested samples. We can see that they are not damaged, cracked, or faded. If you are interested in SCIHOME life, you can like and follow SCIHOME.
Okay, let's move on to the next machine. Here is the machine of sponge foam rebounding coefficient, and it follows the principle of free fall. We can put the iron ball into the tube and use a highly accurate laser to record the time gap between the iron ball bouncing through the surface of the sponge, so that we can calculate the resilience of the sponge. This happens very quickly, and we can directly look at the screen.
Let me look how it works.
Okay, just wait.
Our experimental will do it.
And if you like our video, please follow SCIHOME. And this happens very quickly. We can directly look at the screen, and there are data on it. The ball will bounce up and down about 10 times in one testament. If you are interested in our life, don't forget to like, share, and follow SCIHOME.
This is a foam compression strength tester of SCIHOME. It can use high-pressure electronic balance to press the surface of sponge and then calculate the pressure value of sponge under different degrees, and finally inform the degree of softness and hardness of sponge. Here is a number. Okay, if you are interested in SCIHOME life, you can like and follow SCIHOME.
Okay, let's move on to see this machine. This is martingale aberration and peeling tester, and it's working right now. The machine operates in such a way that clothes and wool abrasive according to a specific trajectory of friction, and then we can see whether the surface of the clothes has peelings or not. The screen shows the number of single runs, and it can run up to 5,000 times at a time. And as you can see, this side is the tested fabric, and this one has peelings on the surface, and they will be replaced. And this type of material has no peelings.
Okay, this is a fabric strength gauge of SCIHOME. Let the clothes and leather stretch naturally until they break, and then the experimenter records the maximum force displayed by the instrument when they break, so as to inform whether the material is qualified. Look, it's working right now. It is break, so we can find it's unqualified. You can see the number here.
Okay, let's move on to this machine. This is table type fabric operation tester. And we have just shown you the tester for laser flexing. That one imitates human body touch towards the sofa surface. Different from that, this type machine imitates the hard objects pressing on the sofa. And by applying different types of weight, the grinding wheel is used to rub the leather repeatedly, and so that we can check whether the leather surface is damaged or not. Again, if you are interested in our life, don't forget to follow us.
In this area are the spawns that we have tested. They are separated according to their hardness. Look, the soft and hard of the two sponge are different. The larger gap is soft sponge. The small gap is harder sponge. The difference between them is very obvious. For soft sponge, SCIHOME usually use them as backrests and headrests. Here is the fabric we have tested.
Okay, let's move on to another room.
Okay. Let's look at this machine. This is a flame retardant test chamber of SCIHOME. It is used to assess the flammability of sofa or sponge surface in the event of an open flame. We can see that when the cigarette is put inside, it immediately goes out automatically. Look. If you are like SCIHOME, you can like us and follow us.
And let's move on to the final testers. This is the testers for sofa durability. And it uses the principles of free fall. By dropping it repeatedly with a weight about 75 kilograms, the machine will repeat itself 60,000 times. This machine mainly simulates the scene of adults sitting on a sofa, and we can test the durability of the sofa. So, if you are interested in our life, don't forget to follow SCIHOME.
Okay, that's all for today. We have shown our SCIHOME lab. If you are interested in SCIHOME life, please like us and follow us.
And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our official website.
This time, we'll introduce our latest product, curved sofa.
Again, please don't forget to follow SCIHOME. Okay, see you next time.